If you ever wanted to start a YouTube channel without showing your face, you're in the right place. With AI video generators, you can automate everything from script writing to editing. So you could create a faceless YouTube channel without ever stepping in front of a camera. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a faceless YouTube channel using AI video generators and make some money doing it. And stick around until the last AI tool because it's the most powerful video generator I found that can automate everything, even the voiceover. And by the way, I just asked an AI if you'd subscribe and it said the odds are low. Let's prove AI wrong. Hit that button before AI decides your engagement score isn't good enough. Let's get right into it. Alright, so as you could see, there are tons of channels that are making money without even showing their face. Here are just a few for example. First, you have AI Guy, How to AI, all about money. So take a look at these channels. These channels are fully made with AI generation, down to the scripts, content, everything. And as you could see, all of these channels are monetized. Every one of them. Tons of subscribers and tons of views. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you exactly how they're doing this. First tool that we'll be pulling up here, of course, is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is literally used for everything. You can use this for all of your social content, post, even image generation. And also, if you didn't know, they even have video generation capabilities now with Sora, but we're going to be using it specifically for our prompt generation and our scripts. Now, you have several different types of niches that you can pull from. Most key ones are motivational content. You can do business and finance. You can do AI and tech explainers where you're explaining different technology and updates on AI. You can do science and history documentaries. What is key and important about all of these different niches? Main importance is that they're high search volume and that they all have great payouts. All right. So first we'll say, for instance, we're going to choose the finance and business niche. And specifically what we'll just do up-to-date stuff, current events. All right, so now ChatGPT is going to actually start creating our content ideals. And this is perfect. Now you have the videos that you can start to create. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do so. All right, now we're going to pick any one of these here and we're going to start creating a video here. All right, so for instance here, I'll come back down to ChatGPT, create a video script outline for an Instagram reel. So we'll make it just a short video. I want to show you all the entire process, but these get tons of views as well. All right. So most important thing, it starts to structure out your video content. As you can see here, to start with the hook, and then it'll start giving the hacks that you could actually say. Now we're going to take that and then generate a script from outline. Now this next portion is very, very key. We're going to start to structure this so it'll be a great script for text to speech. And now as you can see, just implement it just that way, this exact way. And this is what I use for everything really. If it's an article, if you're doing longer form content, you will literally write this same exact thing right here. And it'll basically remove all of these formattings, things where you need to start to place in B-roll. You don't want any of that when it comes to the speech itself. All right. So what we're going to do now that we have our script, I'm going to show you all two ways that you could do very, very high quality text to speech. All right. So number one, very great tool here, play.ht. They're going to give you a free plan to start off with. All you need is a Gmail account, and you could actually sign up for free. You'll actually get 12,000 500 characters. You're roughly going to get 20 minutes of speech for free with a Google account. All right, so you'll actually go into play.ht, you get 12,500 credits, and now you can start to generate your text to speech. And also, free account actually gives you an opportunity to use the voice clone all for free. All you need is a Google account. You sign up, you record 30 seconds of speech, and now you have your exact voice for voice cloning. So what we're going to do, we're going to check out just using one of the regular voices that is already in play.ht. All right, you could go through here and you could actually sample the different voices before you start to generate, so you don't waste credits.
So the overview effect refers to that moment when astronauts look down from space, see Earth as one tiny, fragile, glowing marble, and feel all fuzzy and philosophical.
Oh yes, the deep sea, nature's basement, home to creatures so bizarre, even nightmares are like, nah, I'll pass.
Hey, thanks for clicking on my voice. I forgot I sometimes feel a little nervous when put on the spot like this, but...
The dancing plague of 1518 started when one woman walked into the town square and busted out her best medieval TikTok moves. Except, she couldn't stop.
We're just going to pick the first one here, and we're going to start from there. Apply to all paragraphs. You can also control the speed of the text. We're going to leave it at 1 there. And now we're going to go from ChatGPT, where we wrote our script. We're going to take our script and we're going to drop that into play.ht. All right, hit generate. All right, so we now have our audio file generated. Let's go ahead and take a listen to just how real this actually sounds. Here we go.
Want to know why the rich keep getting richer while most people struggle? It's because they use these 3 money hacks and no one talks about them. First, they leverage other people's money. The rich don't use their own cash. They borrow at low interest rates and invest for higher returns. That's how they buy real estate, start businesses, and scale fast.
It's just one voice. That sounds super real. All right, so we'll take this script as well. The next and final tool is where we're going to actually put together the entire video, all for free. Last and final tool is CapCut. Now, inside of CapCut, you have the ability for free to turn your script into a video. So we'll click on script to video. Then we will go here to edit script. Enter script. We'll paste the script. And here you could also, as I mentioned, you could generate your voice. This gives you also the free option to do both. So CapCut allows you to actually do everything we've actually needed to do to produce your Faceless YouTube channel. They even have the ability to write your scripts. So you could do scripts, voiceover, and video all from this same program. This is the most powerful part, Smart Generation. So click Smart Generation, and now it will begin to find clips and produce your video. Now you have a fully automated video that you can now go and edit or post. Check this out.
Want to know why the rich keep getting richer while most people struggle? It's because they use these 3 money hacks, and no one talks about them. First, they leverage other people's money. The rich don't use their own cash. They borrow at low interest rates and invest for higher returns.
That is fully automated just from using 2 tools only. So as you can see, you could do completely everything you need right here in CapCut. Now you could also pull in other files. You could pull in the audio file that we generated from play.ht and sync the videos up from there. But as you could see, this video is a pass. Of course, when you're doing YouTube channels, you'll have these to be a lot longer. But as you can see, we just went ahead and formatted this to do Instagram Reels. Next, you'll need to generate your thumbnails, and for YouTube, and really all of them, you'll actually need to generate your captions. And what is our favorite tool for generating any of those type of things? ChatGPT. All right, so inside of ChatGPT, you could see here this prompt for this video: create 5 viral titles and an SEO packed description with 10 hashtags. Now the hashtags will be all included in the description. And then on top of that, we want 20 video tags separated by commas. Now this is very important for streamlining your automation. Okay, this will format the tags to where you could just copy and paste them. Now, as you could see, we literally have everything that we need as far as text for our YouTube video. Now, the next portion is going to be your thumbnail. There are a few tools that actually help with thumbnails. I'm going to give you 2 tools. The last one is going to be the most favorite. Now, if you have ChatGPT's $20 package, that's where you have all the algorithms. You also will have access to their image generator. So what you could do here, you could simply go in and ask ChatGPT to create your YouTube thumbnail. Now this portion here is very important. This will make YouTube actually give you the right proportion of your thumbnail. So let's go ahead, and there you have it. Now you have your thumbnail, you have your optimized YouTube titles, descriptions, and tags. So all you do next and finally is just upload. Real good hack. What I do, I just let ChatGPT create the prompt. So create 3 thumbnail image prompts that would go viral for this video. And now ChatGPT will basically create its own prompts for you, right? That is so powerful. That's what you call prompt engineering. Now, the last and final tool that is very great for using or creating thumbnails, it's Replicate. With Replicate, what you could do is find a model that would start to produce great images. Flux models are very good for producing great images, especially for thumbnails. Now you can start to create different thumbnails that may give you a better image, right? So here we go. Choose our ratio, 16:9. That's going to be the thumbnail length. I always change the output format to JPEG, and then quality, output quality. All right, and then from there you will run the program. Bam. And I mentioned to you I like realistic thumbnails. Now you see, right? Look at the difference. And that's just one image. Now these images cost you a few cents. Usually it's up to 2 cents or so per image. But look at the quality. 2 cents for that quality. And that's just one. You can run it again. You don't like that one, boom. And then from there you could, like I mentioned, go in and start to tweak the prompt, right? Look at that. You could definitely use that, right? And start to tweak it. You could take bits and pieces that you like, and then you'll upload it. Now, if you want to see even more AI tools that you could use to not only create a faceless YouTube channel, but also other ways that you could start to generate income online, check out AI Hub 247. This is where I'm giving you a completely free AI toolbox, and you could use these exact same tools as we are in the community. Definitely check it out. Now you know exactly how to start a faceless YouTube channel using AI video generators. Which AI tools are you most excited to try? Let me know down in the comments. And before you go, make sure you hit subscribe, or AI might start recommending cat videos instead of business content. Definitely guys, stay tuned. I'll catch you in the next video.